Them so proud to be a Jamaican. But I'm not even me proud. For some Jamaican in a foreign, disgraceful, bad and loud, they represent so poorly a foreign with the things that's not allowed. So when you go up a foreign embassy, foreign don't want you in them crowd. It's like you take the hug out of the pen, but you can't take the pen out of the hug. Them come a foreign with the dirty ways and style them always have. Them sell your false about foreign with them fancy lifestyle and them pose. But no watch for them a post girl. Them a bruffing a teeth in clothes. Yes! You have some clutcher girl and them get the good things them. They will come in a Louis V and Gucci. Them and them thieving friend. Some get themselves in a money laundering or credit card scam. It's like them mark with prison and badness with the stamp of Satan. Them quick for bring down them one another. As them turn enemy them spill the tea. Them dash out one another secret on social media like a splashing dirty reckless sea. Them quick for call immigration pan one another. Tell me how that benefit them. For them get turned back to Jamaica when all of them used to battle as friends. When you and them in the same workplace, they no stop you a fight. They would tell the boss bad things about you. Next thing are you, the boss wants spite. If a HHA, them want your hours. Restaurant job, no have no luck. You were kind enough to give them the link up. Then them turn on make you see everyone lose your work. And never see a set of people them fight against one another. So, all them care about a vanity. I go through them house and I brag on one another or material things. But do this and beat me. Some fix them breast and Botox them lip. BBL, all kind of surgery. But I wonder when them a go fix them dirty ways. When you know, you tell me. Some a say, them not safe for Jamaica. Go foreign, go seek asylum. How the same people, them must claim that them are safe and a fear for them life. Go foreign, go turn upside down. Them a war with one another. Sometimes them all end up me see them right, me take the left, and if they walk next to me I run. And some of them with classes say they're Jamaica, broke down and lifestyle flop. But smile and post yourself the same way cause it better than a mugshot. Cause the beer run-ins with police, them no learn to satisfy. Anything them see somebody else will, as you quint, them catch ready eye. Me know enough call me take on, and if the cap fit, make them wear it. If you have dirty ways of foreign, maybe it's time you try to quit. Don't make it bad for others, with tired flip and with phone screen and shame. If you see the bad breed Jamaican them, one go on like a hooligan of foreign, give the humble ones them bad name.
Why Jamaicans wicked to them one another, but not to foreigner? Guys, I forgot to tell you that the other day when I was coming back up, I was at Mobay Airport. It was my very first time traveling through Mobay, and my luggage was overweight. My check-in luggage was overweight, right? So I'm not fight it. I'm going to go up on the phone because I was bringing stuff for people as well. I let them know, so listen, this overweight, say I've got to help me pay the something. Fine. While I was on the phone, the girl never realized, say, but it's like, I hear them. But up on the phone, but you know, I listen same time. And our co-worker said to her, said, just make sure go through. Just make sure go through. And she did say to her, soft, you know. The girl load her up. No, I'm not make sure go through because she overweight, she must pay. Fine, but it feel away, but I say, alright, you know what, the girl just do her job, I not fight it. But one white man come right after that, and he was to pay for something. And she tell him, say, it's okay, I'll let you go through. So he must go through. The man must go through. And me, a fellow Jamaican, not go through. My son.
Wow, guys, you clicked our video again. Thank you very much for this. Every time we post, you show up, and I don't take that lightly. The support is real. However, guys, most of you watching right now are not subscribed. Just check, you will realize that you have not subscribed to our channel. You are part of the conversation, you are enjoying the content, but you haven't officially joined the family. So go ahead and hit that like button, like the video, and if you like this conversation, this topic, share it. It helps this channel grow more than you know. Now, today's topic, uncomfortable. We are talking about Jamaicans in the diaspora, especially in the US and Canada, and this idea that they don't support each other abroad. Is it envy? Is it competition? Or is it survival mentality? Or maybe it's social media exaggerating it. That's why today we are breaking this down with facts, psychology, and real talk. Full credit to the original creators of the videos we are reacting to. Let's get into it, and then I'll be back with more commentary. Thank you.
And to top it off, what I found weird was that she asked me, is a visa you have or a green card? Nobody has ever asked me that before. Like, if you have my passport, you will see what I have. But they find out weird. Find my answer. And she do whatever on the computer. Can I see your vaccination card, please? You need to be vaccinated to come to the US. So I said to her, I did this online already and it was approved because you can do the thing online before you got airport here and but I go through all of that. I did it when I went to Panama. I was going back to the US and I didn't have any issues. So I said to her, I did it online. It was approved. I know, I see it, but I still want to check it. I said, girl, what you try to do?
You may attack, don't move. If you live in this country and you're from Jamaica, I'm telling you, may I beg you, stay away from Jamaican people. I'm Jamaican, I'm proud to be Jamaican, but I'm very honest and I'm going to speak the truth at all times. Now, if you come in this country and you're around Jamaican people 9 out of 10 times and they see that you're striving, them know why you strive more than them. They have an issue with the fact that you will come here and do better than them in a shorter space of time, right? That's one. Two, if they introduce them to your partner, best believe, just be prepared that they might try to see if them can lay up with the person. It's just the truth. I cannot pretend, I'm going to be honest. Now, a lot of people from our culture are good people. But if we're going to be honest in this country, nobody fights against each other like Jamaican people. We always fight against each other. We don't want the other one to thrive. Like, if me have a link, I mean, what's me can help you. Why me not go share the link with you? Me not understand it. Not take nothing from me. Me know you're in a situation. Why me not go share the link with you to make better yourself? Them will know you're struggling. Them know them have a link. And instead of introducing you to the link, them try to say, alright, them don't want to make you talk to the person. Them want to be the middle person. And then them hike up the price so that them can benefit off of you. If you never know, say that's being evil and wicked, it is. That's being wicked and selfish because you have that link open door for you, but at the same time, you don't want other people to thrive. And that's horrible. Just like, for example, them will know you will get a job for them, right? You work at one company, you probably get a supervisor or a manager position. And you bring them, you get a position for them. You look out for them and know them in a situation now. And the same pagan them would have come at the company where you work and turn the people them against you, get you all fired from the job. Come all in your house and walk up your pan all type of stuff. We need to be honest when it comes to our people. Mind you, people are people, I get it. But I'm Jamaican and I can speak on my culture. Them are some of the wickedest demons them on earth and it's just the truth. How is it that me can't say, alright then, me I look out for you? You find out say some of them family and a mash up family. Them want to kill you for land. You're there foreign, them would have say, oh you're there foreign. Where you want to come back a yard? Mind you work and build your place, you know. And family want to move in your house, you know. No believe say you're supposed to have nothing, you know. When you check the track records in our culture as Jamaicans, and I'm talking to my Jamaican people, a lot of the people that tend to get killed, that live here and go back, it has to do with family land and stuff like that. That has always been the case. It's always envy. Them not believe say you're supposed to thrive more than they have. If you have confidence and you want to make better yourself, it's an issue. Them want to hold you down. Them not believe say you're supposed to thrive. You're coming out far. Mind you, you have some of them where they here. They've been through stress, the struggles, and just because they are in a better position today, they feel like they've arrived, right? And a lot of them been here for 10, 30, 50 years, and they haven't done absolutely dog shit. And for you to come here as a young girl, a young boy, young girl, young man, and say, yo, you're going to match up your thing, them have a problem with that. Them not believe say you for come here and do better than them. The first thing them are going to talk about immigration is immigration that. Uno banya? Me ask you if uno banya. Uno come here and you get look at status and then not go like sound better than the others of people them. Like uno are no immigrant. Pray for the people them man and pray say God work out things to them man and stop a wish bad for people. We don't have dirty heart. That's why uno can't climb and reach one certain level because every minute uno wish bad for people. And you know look say that's why you not thrive. You know look on the fact say they are 30 or 107 years and you know own nothing the people in the country, you know. But you quick for point out say somebody illegal. You have social and you have passport or you have a green card and you don't own nothing in the country, absolutely nothing. But yet you hate by your other brother and sisters, them will come here and try to make better themselves. Una a demon from the pit of hell. The blood of Jesus against you, man. Pray for people, man, and pour into people. It a take note of uno. What is it taking out of you to wish well for others? Una look a black heart. That's why una curse. You can see somebody come through the border. You want America? Me not get it. Do you own America? Most of you barely are working at people in country and they over here work $31,000 a year and now make no money. And then you quick for say, oh, my taxes this. Move from here about taxes. What type of taxes? And every minute you claim exemption on the taxes for 6 months. Una are wicked. I'm gonna always talk about it, so una are wicked. Again, this doesn't go for everybody in the culture. And if you don't come for me, I go tell them about the mother, and I'm telling them right now. Me just can't understand it. Me just really can't understand it. Me not have a bad mind blood in me. If me can't help somebody, I know say, yo, me can't help somebody, me I go help them. Me not lie, you know, some of them are some ungrateful demon, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. I'm not negating that fact. I'm not. But somehow you come a foreign and then you go on like someone better than people just because you live a foreign and over here now live no life. And a bad mind people. Blessing over here for everybody. Make people get them blessing. We not fight against the people them for pagan. We not fight against the people them for make the people them thrive. You know own foreign? You come see foreign and you not go dead left foreign. Me not care if you upset. I don't care who upset. If I upset you, good. Happy riddance.
For a better life. And as soon as we own something, we unlock our slavery mentality and start treating each other like we're on a plantation, as if we bring the worst part of ourselves with us. We don't compete with foreigners, we compete with each other, as if we don't have strength for anyone else. Jamaican against Jamaican, who are mingled with rich people, who are doctor and who are lawyer. And then we form these little cliques like house slaves and these little plantation circles, where only certain Jamaicans belong. Depends on your title and how foreign you look. And we call that progress. We travel with the slavery mindset in our suitcase and unpack it when we reach a foreign. And then after that, we struggle and work 2 and 3 and 4 jobs. And then we have the audacity to go back to Jamaica and show off our own people with this mental screw up like we're better off. But you see, this mental slavery and this British classism, it's still making us feel as if you don't rise above another Jamaican, you don't matter. And here is the truth. It's better enough for we to stay at Jamaica because whole heap of they are foreigners suffer.
So guys, this is a true story. I'm going to tell it to you quickly in a nutshell. So I work as a care aide, right? As one of my jobs. And I had this client that I used to have to go to the client's personal home to take care of the client. One day when I went there, I observed that the client's family member had corona. This family member did not tell me nor my agency so that I could protect myself as a care aide with a proper PPE, because you can't just wear a source of mask, so you have to wear a mask and shield and everything. You understand what I'm saying? So boom, me go say to one Jamaican girl now who work the case with me too. Right? You know, just I look out for my fellow country person. You know, say, even though I'm so concerned about the girl because the girl have young ones and stuff like that at home. You know, so the girl go back and tell the family everything when I said to her, the people them start to treat me bad and start to treat me different. Oh, Jamaican people stay so. When the dirty and fight against body, the Haitians them work together over here. The Spanish them work together. Only dirty Jamaicans cut each other throat, and it always backfire and always say it up to no good and they keep on and do it. Enough people don't talk about these things. May I tell you the truth, man? Only Jamaican are the most disgusting set when they come on abroad. When they come on to a restaurant or this type of work, on disgusting bad.
I think there's a two Jamaican dudes arguing next to me. It's just so funny to watch. I don't want to like point my camera at them because they're just like yelling at me, I swear.
The first, find out Mr. a calling now. You see how you that?
He just called him a madman clot, man. I colonized the bombo clot. I swear to God, those are exact words, bro.
I
don't know if my camera's picking it up. But a madman bombo clot, bro. This is crazy, man.
Alright, welcome back. The video claims Jamaicans abroad don't support each other and sometimes even work against each other. Now, before we generalize, let's ground this. Immigrant communities often experience something called intra-group competition. When people migrate, especially to places like the US and Canada. They are entering competitive job markets, expensive housing systems, strict immigration structures. Scarcity changes behavior. When people feel resources are limited, cooperation can decrease and competition increases. That's not uniquely Jamaican. It's human psychology. So this video we've seen, it's talking about Jamaican hiking prices, withholding connections, not sharing opportunities. Let's talk about that honestly. In immigrant communities, information is currency. If someone knows how to get certain jobs, how to adjust immigration status, how to navigate systems, that knowledge becomes power. And power sometimes makes people protective. But here is the balance. There are also countless examples of Jamaicans abroad sponsoring relatives, sending remittances, hiring fellow Jamaicans, starting Caribbean businesses. Jamaica receives billions annually in remittances from its diaspora. That does not reflect a community that doesn't support each other at all. So we have to avoid absolutes. Now, this is where we need to be careful. The phrase slavery mentality gets down around loosely. Psychologically speaking, generational trauma can influence behavior, yes. Colonial systems created class hierarchy, colorism, status competition, internalized inferiority. Those patterns can show up in diaspora communities. But we should not reduce complex behavior to slavery mentality. That oversimplifies history. What we are likely seeing is scarcity mindset, status insecurity, migration pressure, and that's different. Comparing Jamaicans to other groups is also another point. The video says Haitians or Spanish-speaking communities work together more. Here's the reality. Many immigrant groups create strong ethnic networks because they face language barriers, they experience discrimination, they rely on ethnic businesses. Jamaica often speaks English already, so they integrate faster into mainstream systems. Ironically, that can weaken tight ethnic dependency networks. So it may not be less unity, it may be different integration patterns, and that's sociology. But here's the hard truth. Let's not pretend envy doesn't exist. Jealousy is real in every community, especially when someone makes it, someone buys property, someone gets citizenship, someone levels up. If people feel stuck, resentment can grow. That's human, not Jamaican. The key issue is not nationality, it's emotional maturity plus economic stress. The video also touches on leaders prioritizing foreigners over locals. Now, that's a separate but important discussion. Small economies like Jamaica rely heavily on tourism, foreign investments, external capital. That can create the perception that governments cater more to foreign interest. But economic dependency structures are complex. That's not simply betrayal, it's global economics. Here's my honest position. There are Jamaicans abroad who block, envy, and compete. And there are Jamaicans abroad who mentor, uplift, and build community. So both exist. The danger is when we label the entire diaspora as unsupportive. That becomes self-fulfilling. If we expect betrayal, we approach each other with distrust. But unity is intentional. It doesn't happen automatically because we share nationality. It requires emotional intelligence, security, leadership. Division within Black and Caribbean communities often benefits larger systems. When we fight internally, we weaken collective economic power. But unity can't be forced through shame, but it has to be built through trust, opportunity sharing, mentorship, cultural pride. So guys, let's talk honestly. Have you experienced support from Jamaicans abroad, or have you experienced sabotage? And do you think this is a Jamaican issue or a human issue? Drop your thoughts respectively in the comments. And if you are still watching and not subscribed, join the family. Like the video, share this video. I'll be back with more reactions. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Respect.